Students, so here is the last lecture of language of chemistry, a small short topic, very little concept is there, just only touch this topic in your subject chemistry, that is the naming of compounds. So just start how to name a compound. See, if the compound made by a metal and a non-metal, a metal and a non-metal, so what happened that suppose Ca3N2, you can see one metal calcium, one non-metal nitrogen, so name will come as first calcium, first will be metal first. You can write that nitrite calcium, it will be calcium nitrite, and you have to write nitrite, not nitrogen. You know that in here the radical nitrogen, that is nitride radical is present here. Okay, so first metal name, then non-metal, if the a metal and a non-metal is present. Now coming to the second, for the second, if two non-metal present, suppose PCl3, then you can see two non-metal means P first, then T. See, that is monoditri, prefix tri tetra penta, that you have to use if more than one non-metal is present. If in another as in this compound, that tri tetra penta, that prefix you have to use. See, it is trichloride. Cl means chloride, trichloride, and it is phosphorus, so name will be phosphorus trichloride. See, phosphorus trichloride, P and T. You maybe think that why trichloride phosphorus not its name. See, P comes first, then T, hence phosphorus trichloride. Now the question maybe comes in your mind, why we have not written dinitrogen, okay, or dinitrite. 2 is here. See students, it is calcium nitrite or it has another name, okay, that is tricalcium, 3 calcium, tricalcium dinitrite. Okay, you can write its name as like this way also, dinitrite. Okay, no problem. In senior class you can easily understand. When you will do the naming, confusion will be go. Now just only simple 3-4 you keep in your mind. Now if two element present, 2 element and a oxygen is there. See, sodium is there, chlorine is there, and oxygen. 2 element, sodium, chlorine, and another oxygen is there. Then less than 2, if oxygen less than 2, see arrow from oxygen less than 2 present, then hypo is used as prefix. See, NaClO less than 2, sodium hypochlorite, It used. NaClO2, 2 is there, means sodium chloride, hypo is not there, chlorite, only It, suffix It used. Now if it is 3 oxygen, then NaClO3, that is sodium chlorate, At used. See, and when 4, that will be par, okay, prefix par used. Okay, so these are the namings you have to remember. Okay, so sodium perchlorate, so this is hypochlorite radical, that is chlorite radical or ion, that is chlorate, that is perchlorate ion. So these are very important for the exam. Remember it, hypochlorite, chlorate, chlorite and perchlorate. Don't get confused by it. Now naming the acid, students you can see HCl, HF, they hydro first used, and after the name IC used, means hydrochloric acid. Okay, and if the polyatomic group is present here, if normal radical is present, then from there will be a hydro prefix will be there, hydrochloric acid. Okay, but here you can see where the polyatomic ion present in the acids, then the naming come through the first of the polyatomic ion, means here sulfur present, sulfate, sulfur, so it will be sulfuric acid. NO3 nitrogen, nitric acid. PO4 phosphate means phosphoric acid. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid. Just keep the concept. Okay, naming the acids is like that. Now some trivial names, means common names. Trivial names also known as common names. So what is trivial name or common name? Generally we used to call, see, H2O, we everywhere we just known as, it is known as water. We never call it as dihydrogen oxide. Have you ever called it dihydrogen oxide? Never. But it also had another name. Dihydrogen oxide is correct name. Okay, we just called it as water. Okay, similarly for ammonia, NH3, what we used to see, ammonia, that we never used to call that nitrogen trihydride. Okay, nitrogen trihydride we never called, we just use the ammonia. So this ammonia, water, these are the trivial name of the compound. I hope you understand this naming of certain compounds, and only for this ICSE class 9 only this much, not more. And thank you very much. God bless you all. Just keep studying.